Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Let's try to solve the today's problem. Before that, if you guys are watching our video for the first time or if you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then please go and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well so that you can get the notifications of our new videos. Okay, so the today's problem is Newton gone. Okay, so let's try to solve this. Okay, so here you can see that we have given a problem statement. The problem statement is Newton wants to draw a polygon with n sides on a two-dimensional plane. Okay, and length of the each side is given L1, L2 up to L3. Okay, so you need to tell the Newton whether or not it's possible to make the polygon. Okay, so in the input, the first line contains the single integer n, and the next line contains n space separated integers, that is L1, L2 up to L3. Okay, and we have to print the s yes if it is possible to draw the polygon, else we have to print no. Okay, so in this problem what we have to do, we have given sides of the polygon. Okay, that is L1, L2 up to Ln, and we have to print the s if we can draw the polygon using that given sides. Okay, else we have to print no. Okay, so let's try to understand the problem first. Okay, so in this problem what we can do, in first line we have given n. Okay, this is n, and this is the sides of the polygon, that is L1, L2 and dash dash. Okay, these are the sides of the polygon. Okay, so to solve this problem what we have to do, okay, we'll do the addition of this sides of the polygon. Okay, which is, okay, so first we'll do the addition of these sides, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 10. Okay, so the output of this should be 3 3 6 6 and 10 16. Okay, so the addition of these sides are 16. Okay, after that what we can do, we have to find the longest what we can say side. Okay, we have to find the longest side of the polygon. Okay, the longest side. Okay, so how we can find this longest side? Okay, so to find the longest side we have to find the what we can say maximum length of the uh, side polygon sides. Okay, which is given in the array, this array. Okay, so what we can do here, we'll use the math.max function to find the maximum number from this array. Okay, so we'll find the maximum number from this array. Okay, so uh, what is the maximum number of this array? This 10. Okay, so the maximum number is 10. Okay, in this array or sides. Okay, polygon sides. Okay, now what we can do, after that we'll subtract this sum. Let's suppose this is sum of n sides of the polygon. Okay, which is 16. Okay, so what we can do, we'll subtract this maximum length of the polygon, maximum side length of the polygon from the sum of the uh, n sides of the polygon. Okay, so we'll do the subtraction. Okay, here that is sum minus this maximum number, which is longest. Okay, longest. Okay, so the sum is 16 here. Okay, 16 minus max number is 10. Okay, so the result of this should be 16 minus 10, it's 6. Okay, after that what we can do, we'll check that if this result, okay, let's suppose this is result. Okay, so after doing the subtraction, what we can do, we'll check that if this result is greater than this longest or not. Okay, longest length of the longest side of the polygon. Okay, so we'll check that if this result is greater than uh, this longest side. Okay, so that is result is, our result is 6, and longest length of the polygon is 10. Okay, so 6 is greater than 10. Okay, so which is false. Okay, यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, if कंडीशन में डालेंगे ये कंपैरिजन. ओके, और यहाँ पे 6 इज ग्रेटर देन 10, ये अगर ट्रू है तो यस प्रिंट कर देंगे हम. ओके, और अगर ये कंडीशन फेल्स हो, फॉल्स होती है तो हम नो प्रिंट कर देंगे. ओके, सो यहाँ पे 6 इज ग्रेटर देन 10, ये कंडीशन फॉल हो जाएगी. सो एल्स की कंडीशन एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगी, विच इज नो. ओके, सो द आउटपुट फॉर दिस शुड बी नो. ओके, सो what we can do, let's understand the second sample input. Okay, okay, so ओके, सो यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इसकी एडिशन करेंगे. ओके, सो 1 + 2 3, 3 + 3 6, 6 + 4 विच इज 10. ओके, सो हमारी जो सम है, सम 10 आ गई. ओके, देन हम क्या करेंगे, मैक्स नंबर फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमारा मैक्स नंबर क्या है, 4. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, सम में से मैक्स नंबर को माइनस करेंगे. ओके, सो 10 - 4, output is 6. Okay, so and now what we can do, this output will check that if this is greater than max number or not. Okay, so max number is 4. Okay, so 6 greater than 4. Okay, condition is true. ओके, सो हम यस प्रिंट कर देंगे. ओके, और अगर ये कंडीशन फॉल्स हो जाती है तो नो प्रिंट कर देंगे. ओके, सो यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं आप नीचे, इसका जो आउटपुट है यस है. ओके, सो दिस इज द लॉजिक टू सॉल्व दिस problem. Okay, so now let's try to write the code for this problem. Okay, so first what we can do, we have to take the input from the user. Okay, so for that I will write the scanner class sc equals to new scanner, then system dot in. Okay, now we'll take one number, that is n. Okay, equals to sc dot next int. Okay, ये नंबर हमने एक नंबर यूजर से इनपुट ले लिया. ओके, नाउ अभी जो पॉलीगॉन की साइड्स दी है उसके लिए एक एरे लेना पड़ेगा हमें. ओके, सो यहाँ पे एक एरे को इनिशियलाइज कर देंगे हम. ओके, लेट्स सपोज एरे इक्वल्स टू न्यू न्यू इंट एंड इनसाइड दिस हम एरे की साइज को पास कर देंगे। ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे फॉर लूप चलाएंगे एरे एलिमेंट्स को यूजर से इनपुट करने के लिए। सो I equals to 0, I less than n, then I plus plus. Okay, and inside this I will write array of I equals to sc dot next int. Okay, okay, now what we can do, here we'll initialize one variable, let's suppose sum, and uh, we'll initialize one more variable which is max, and we'll initialize both with 0. Okay, now we'll take for loop to traverse the array first. Okay, so I will write, okay, so inside this for loop first what we can do, we'll do the addition of the array elements. Okay, so for that what I can do, I will store all the addition in this sum. Okay, sum variable. Okay, so I will write sum plus equals to array of I. ओके, सो इसमें एरे के एलिमेंट्स की सम स्टोर हो जाएगी सम में। ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दैट हमें मैक्स नंबर भी फाइंड करना है। ओके, सो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे मैक्स इक्वल्स टू, मैथ का फंक्शन यूज करेंगे हम मैक्स नंबर फाइंड करने के लिए। सो मैथ डॉट मैक्स एंड इनसाइड दिस हमें एरे ऑफ आई एंड जो मैक्स है उसमें से मैक्स नंबर फाइंड करना है। ओके, सो हमको मैक्स नंबर ऐसे मिल जाएगा। ओके, नाउ यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे हम अभी, इफ की कंडीशन लिखेंगे। ओके, लेट्स सपोज इफ की कंडीशन लिखेंगे और inside this if condition what we can do, we'll do the subtraction of sum and max. We'll minus the max number from the sum of the array elements. Okay, and we'll check that if this uh, result of this operation is greater than max or not. Okay, and if it is greater than max, then simply हम यहाँ पे प्रिंट कर देंगे yes. ओके, नहीं तो else में हम प्रिंट कर देंगे no को। ओके, सो else में यहाँ पे हम प्रिंट करेंगे no. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. Now let's try to run this code. Okay, so first what I can do, I'll copy this input, let's paste it here, click on run. Okay, and let's see. Okay, output shows, okay, you can see that output is no and required output is also no. Okay, now let's try for this second sample input. So I'll copy this, let's paste it here. Okay, so the output for this should be yes. Okay, so click on run. Okay, you can see that output is yes, which is correct. Okay, now what we can do, let's try to submit the code and let's see whether all the test cases will pass or not. So click on submit. Okay, now here the test cases are running. Okay, so here you can see that all the test cases has been passed. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. Okay, so that's it in this video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। ओके, सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।